Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Live Review. My name is Dev and today we'll be doing the unboxing and first overview of a JBL speaker here. This is the JBL Go, but this is the latest iteration, the JBL Go 4. All of the JBL Go's were very good. The JBL 4, the Go 4 improves on what came before. So let me show you around the box. It looks like an eco-friendly box and then I will show you the actual product. So Bluetooth version 5.3, that is the latest. 7 hours of battery backup. Registration, okay, this looks good. This is waterproofing, etc, etc. Yeah, the trademark JBL orange, portable Bluetooth speaker, dare to listen. All right, let's come to the specifications. 7 hours, IP65 water resistant, so you can take it in the rain or in the swimming pool. Printed with soy ink. Okay, yeah, this is for the packaging. All right, the MRP of this is 5,500, but you can get this for around 4,000 rupees in Amazon. So I'll put the link of this below. You can go check that out. Country of origin is Vietnam. That's nice, for a change, not in China. That's nice. Let's go ahead and to the unboxing. Oh, there's something written here as well, but let this be. These are the usual certifications. This is nice. You can see that this is the eco-friendly recycled material. All right, let's open this. Right out of the box you get, this is nice. This feels very good, but we'll come to that. Let's see what else is there in the box. So a product registration and warranty card. Nice. Another something written in, I hope this is Vietnamese or Chinese, not sure. And another booklet, and which shows how to set up your speakers. All right, and there should be cable somewhere. There it is. So this is the charging cable, type A to type C. This is nice. Now let's come to the origin, to the main product here. Okay, so the same design language. There is some grip. This is rubberized, so it gives a very good grip. There's rubber, these are also rubberized, so this also has this grips here. So if you put it down, this will not slide away. If you put it like this will not slide away. These are the controls on top. This is the volume up, very clicky, volume down. This is the play button, and these are the power, Bluetooth. There is some, yeah, oh, this is bass. And yeah, as soon as you turn it on, it has the quick pair option, like it just showed up on my phone. And this is another thing to pair, I think aura related devices with other JBL devices has. You can pair them all together and create a sound surround sound experience. Okay, I will go ahead and set this up. If you want a full review of this, put this in the comment section and I will do that. But for now, my first impression of this is very good. The sound is almost, they say it's almost comparable to the Bose Micro, maybe even better than that. I will do the comparison very soon, so subscribe to the channel if you want to see that. So a little bit more designed with passion. Okay, small details matters. There is the JBL logo here. Of course we have these, and Anatel UK, the certifications are also listed here. This is nice, and this is fabric, so this is really nice. It's nylon fabric. This is quite good, and the JBL branding on top. And on this side, this is the charging port. This is the USB-C and JBL Go branding here. One thing I'm surprised about is this does not have any covering. Usually for the waterproofing they usually provided a flap for the covering, but I think the way that they have done it, even if the water goes inside, it will not be a problem. Let me just yeah, turn on my light. Yeah, you can see that even if the water goes there, it will be waterproof. So this is nice. This is a good, because otherwise the flap, usually the flap after a few months, this usually just breaks away. So this is nice. Okay, this is how it looks with my flash on, just some cinematics for you. Alright, so I have set this up with my mobile, and I will just play some non-copyrighted music so that you can get some idea about how this sounds. Alright, so you get an idea how this is. This has very strong bass. I'm not sure if that fully carried over to the video. This has passive radiators here, speakers here inside of that, and I would say the sound is very powerful for this small of a package. And I think this is comparable to the Bose Micro speaker. So I will do a full review of this soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos. Goodbye.